Hey guys, welcome back to our another episode of FOODGLAM. Today we are going to make very easy homemade lasagna. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And without wasting time, let's get started. First, we are going to saute some vegetables. Chopped carrots, onions and bell peppers. And fry it until done. Now we are going to cook the minced meat. You can take any pork, beef, mutton, lamb, whatever you want. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and salt as per taste. One tablespoon soya sauce and 1 teaspoon red chili sauce and little sugar, and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we are going to prepare the chicken. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon soya sauce and 1 teaspoon red chili sauce and little salt. Mix well with the chicken. Then fry it. After frying, we are going to shred the chicken and mix well with the masala. Then we are going to prepare the white sauce. For that I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Along with this 1 tablespoon chopped garlic and saute for 30 seconds. Then I am adding 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Again saute for 30 seconds. Now I am going to add 2 cups of milk. After that I am adding little black pepper and cream cheese. Cream cheese helps to thicken the gravy and also give creamy texture and cheesy flavor. Then I am adding 1 tablespoon chili flakes. Then I am going to add the fried vegetables which we prepared earlier. Mix well with the sauce. Now add the Italian seasoning and little salt and sugar as per your taste. And last we are going to add grated cheddar and mix well. Now your thick creamy white sauce is ready. I am going to divide it in a 2 part. In other half I am going to add tomato sauce to give it a tangy flavor. Now all are done, we are going to layer this up. First I am going to add the minced meat. Then I am adding the red sauce. And grated cheese. Here I am using mozzarella and cheddar. Then on top add lasagna sheet. Then I am going to add the shredded chicken. Then white sauce. Then add grated cheese and again lasagna sheet. And repeat the same process again. And in the top we are going to add the grated mozzarella and cheddar. Now bake it in 180 degrees centigrade for 40 minutes in preheated oven. Now your easy homemade lasagna is ready. Please do try this at home and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in my next video. Till then, bye.